he is not answering me. Let's say this in Hmong. Nư chi te gu. Anyone home? Is anybody home? Let's say these in Hmong. Hmong Dao actually. So, bùa mua lên từ nhỏ trẻ. He went hunting. Let's say this in Hmong. Nư mu yo ha rong lần.
Mô tao kể. We go walking. No no chandu. Today is sunny.
Do you like it? Let's say this in Hmong. Có bùa nhẹ. This is in white Hmong. And this is in green Hmong. Có bùa nhẹ. Please don't tell anyone. Let's say this in Hmong. Thọ cho kia lên từ. Please don't go. Thọ cho mù. Please stay. Thọ nhớ. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. Let's say these in Hmong Dao. Chai, shu, or shu, mo. If you want them to eat breakfast, eat lunch, or eat dinner, we add this word in front. No. So eat breakfast, no chai. Eat lunch, no shu, no shu. Sometimes people use that as well. And eat dinner, no mo. I don't eat breakfast, or I don't eat in the morning. Let's say these in Hmong. Gu chi no chai. Chai is breakfast. Is it true? Is it true? Let's say this in Hmong. One way is bùa yo tia. Second way is bùa mua chinh. And there's more ways too. Alright, bye for now. I need you to do something for me. Let's say this in Hmong. Gu sa ko or da chi dao gu. You go. Wait, guess what? Nowadays in America, this is how we say it. Gu ni go or da chi dao gu. Need ni. Forget it. Never mind. Oh well. Let's say these in Hmong. Ga lia. It is worth it. Worth it. Let's say this in Hmong. Nư chỉ nho gan. Chỉ nho. Worth it, or just worth. Is it a boy or a girl? Let's say this in Hmong. Nư yo mei tu lo means high. It nư boy mei tu girl means high. I don't want to guess. Let's say this in Hmong. Gu chi sa từ. Guess tư. When will you be back? Let's say this in Hmong. Thảo tư có mà đó cá lò. You can also add this word. Li thảo tư có mà li đó cá lò. Or you can even delete some words. Thảo tư có mà li đó lò. Or even more. Thảo tư có mà li lò.